Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we picked up another radio control car. This is the Speed Hunter off-road remote control. Looks kind of like a monster truck. We'll open this little guy up and see what we can do with it, okay? All right, here it is. Speed Hunter. This is a two-wheel drive. It's like an off-road monster truck. Let's open this little guy up. See what we can do with him, all right? Alright, put the box over here out of the way. That guy out of the way. Look at this guy. Woo! Pretty good sized little monster truck, isn't it? Alright, set him right there. There's your transmitter. Now, let's see. Transmitter's going to take some AA batteries. 2 AA batteries. Go right in the bottom here. Unscrew that little screw to open it. Alright. I always drop it the first time, so y'all bear with me. There we go. That opens up right there. Says, doesn't say. I don't know. Really doesn't say which is positive and negative. Oh, okay, right there on that. Negative is down on this one. Negative is the flat side. The other side goes up, positive up. Wait a minute. That one goes positive down. This one goes positive up. Right there. Close that little thing. Screw it back down. And hope we got it in right. We'll find out because it won't work if we don't. Alright. What did it come with here? Extra parts, batteries. Oh, this one came with some batteries. Looky here. They gave us batteries. That was nice of them. Most people don't do that. Screwdriver to unscrew everything. There's your charging cable. This is going to plug in right here, like so. Here, click. And we're going to go plug it in the USB port, and it's going to be ready to go. When we're ready to drive this little guy, there is a screw down right here. All right. See if we can get this little guy off here now. All right. There's only one screw, but there might be a release right here. There we go. I guess the screw's not out all the way yet. Sure thought it was. There we go. That little release right there. Your battery's going to come up here, plug into this, lay it down in there. You're ready to go. For right now, we're not going to put a battery in there. We're going to have to go charge it, all right? Put that little guy right there. Now, right here is a trim control. If you're going straight and it goes to one direction, turn the trim control the other way till you work it till you straighten it out, all right? Let's go charge this battery, and we'll be ready to go. There's our battery. Here's our charging cable. Here's our battery. There's only one direction that thing will go in, right there. There we go. Go till it clicks. There we go. It's plugged in. Plugged it into here. Red light is on. Red light's charging. Red light goes off. Ready to drive. Well, you can see the red light's off right there. So this battery's charged and ready to go. We're going to get this guy out. Do some driving with him and see what we can do. All right, let's put the battery in this little guy and see what we can do with him. Remember the screw right here on the bottom. Okay. Pull that out right there. Battery plugs in right here. It's like you did with your charging cable. till you hear it snap. There you go. Hear it snap? Put the battery down inside there. Put the top back on. Screw it down so we don't lose the battery. All right. There's an on-off button. Where was it? I lost it. Oh, right there. Off, on. On. See the lights come on? Oh, look at that. This one has an on-off button right here. Turn that on. I guess I got the batteries in wrong on this one. Let's change them. It's kind of hard to tell which way to put the batteries in on this little guy. Naturally, we got them in wrong, so. All right, let's see. That one goes over here. This one goes down there. Let's make sure that does it now. Screw it back down so we don't lose the batteries. There we go. Now we got him. Remember, back, forward, wheels. Whoa! He looks like he might be pretty fast. I think we need to get down the floor with him and do a little driving. See what we can do here, okay? All right, once again, there's your on-off button right there. See it? Push that down. All right, let's crank this little guy up. There's your on-off button right there. See it? Turn it on. Set him down the floor. On your transmitter, there's your on-off button right there. See how it's on? Forward, reverse, and drive it. Whoa! Whoa! Got him stuck over there now. All right, let's go. He kind of slips and slides around here on this wood floor, so we need to take him outside since he's an off-road vehicle. All right, we're out here in the outside now. Let's see what we can do here. Little guy's pretty fast, isn't he? Runs off in the grass. He don't turn too good when you're running wide open, though. Yeah, he runs in the grass over there pretty good. Oh, we got hung up. All right, here we go. fast little car, isn't it? Yeah. Get away from those sticks. All right, when you're through racing him, turn your transmitter off right here. Turn your car off right here. And you're ready to put him up and come back and race again later. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.